It's DJ Z-Mills.
Right back at it, man, with a good old Arrma Senton badge. Something like 3S 50C Spectrum battery, 5,000 milliamps. I haven't done anything. This is stock, y'all. I haven't done anything to it except change the body. I wanted that black on black. Feel me? But I like bashing it out here, or just running it. I can't, you know, you call this a bash if you want to. I'm not jumping or anything. But I like hitting speed runs out here because it has all the terrain. There's grass, this little jump right there, a little jump over here. You know, and I can take it to the concrete. It's a little ramp right there. Check my other videos, man, where you see I take all kind of different cars off of that. Light work. Yeah, something about short course trucks, man. Wouldn't y'all agree? You know, I have buggies. You know, you got your street cars, your street buggies, your track buggies. You know, your stadium trucks, your truggies, your monster trucks, all that shit. But it's something about a short course, man, and the skill that it takes to kind of drive it. They handle just like a truck, shit. You know what I'm saying? You can't hit sharp-ass turns in it, but you can hit some good sharp-ass turns in it, if that makes any sense. It's all on your control. You know, and they jump like a real truck would be. That's the cool thing about short course trucks.
Hey yo, I mean, I'm really feeling like the prince of storytelling right now. I mean, like, for real. Much respect to Slick, Rick, Domino, you know what I'm saying? That's where I got all this.
Now you can go on YouTube right now and look at real deal short course trucks races. The real races. I'll leave a link below if you want to check out some of the real short course truck racing. Alright. But anyway, once you master a short course truck, it's nothing like it, man. It's a good feeling. It's no cheat codes, you know what I'm saying? If you can't drive, it's gonna show up if you try to push a short course truck, especially in some hard terrain. It's gonna show up. But anyway. Full throttle. And I'm really not going, let me open it up. That's me opening it up. Cool thing about this version of the Senton, it comes with the 22 pinion. I didn't even know that until I opened it up. It comes with the 22. You feel me? Anyway, that's a good old flip right there. Birds watching. What kicks you have on, man? Check the previous video about the shoes that I got to match with this. What kicks you got on, man? You know what I'm saying? Scroll down on my timeline and check the kicks that I got to match with this kick. Ugh. Holla at your boy. Kicks and kiss. Like, share, subscribe. Or dislike.